Hey everybody, I'm going to do a cold start. I'm not going to rev it, not until it's warmed up a little bit, but I don't know how this is going to come out. I hope the angle's alright. If not, I'll adjust it and remake it. I know I didn't rev it past 3,000 RPM because it's cold and everything. I just wanted you guys to hear it. I hope it came out all right. I'll check it over now. If I have to, I'll remake it, except it's not going to be cold again. But yeah, it's really loud when I first start it. So what I do is put it in drive and right away. I know that's probably not good for it, but it quiets it down a lot. So it's just a Resonator delete, Berkey Flow Cats, K&N filters, which have nothing to do with the sound. And then the LED tail lights, the 8-pound lighter, Z-rated tires, and more mods to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.